What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Daniel, Angel of Assassin, and today we are installing the upper control arms Solo Motorsports. And I already did one side, but I'm going to show you how to do the other side. One of the biggest problems I had with this was, like, the buyer on Facebook told me this was for a first gen and a third gen 4Runner, but it turned out that it was for a first gen Tundra, and it didn't fit, had some trouble, and you know, at first I didn't know why. When I contacted Solo Motorsports, that's when they told me about it. But anyways, we got the right upper control arms, and as you can see here, it fit pretty well, and it's really nice. So honestly, some really good quality. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. So please like, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on notifications, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so just to show you what should come with your upper control arms, specifically Solo Motorsports. So you should have your bushings, and then these are called, I believe, sleeves. These are the washers. You will get 3 that are like the thinnest, and then you'll get 1 that's like really chunky. Alright, then this thing goes where the uni ball is. This goes top, this silver nut goes bottom. Alright, this goes in your spindle, and it comes with a like a ring to secure it, which is this one right here. And right now we're gonna go ahead and install the bushings into the upper control arm. Just make sure you got the right side. So this one is for the driver's side. Since we already did the passenger side, we'll go ahead and get this set up here. So we're gonna go ahead and use some anti-seize lubrication. This is gonna be for the bushings. I believe what I read on the instructions that you should use this is recommended from the company. I know people use different ones, so it's best to do your research and to decide which one you think will be best for you, but I'm going to be using anti-seize. Alright, now the other side. This is going to be messy, but we can wipe all of this down. Now put the sleeve through. There you go. Put that right there. Boom. Bumper in use. Alright, good. So yeah, that's in there now. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. If you don't have a mallet, you can use some like really long pliers or clamps or whatever. But I think a mallet is just a lot useful for these situations.
Yeah, we don't waste time.
Yeah, because I've already wasted a bunch of time with this shit. Kind of don't want to use the bumper because it's, look, that shit coming off. It's not good.
What is? What?
Go on that side and look at the bolts.
Oh shit. Could do it right here if it's in the middle.
It's fine. There we go. So now let's go ahead and take off everything off of the driver's side. Alright. There, come on. There we go. Alright. I believe this is a 19. Yep, it is. There we go. Now, to take it off, we have to use these. These are actually really useful, so I highly recommend getting them to take off stuff like this. I've seen people just use a hammer, but in my case it didn't work for me, so this is a better option.
What is that tool called?
I don't know, it's like triple or like tri-clamp. I don't know, tri-clamp. I'll leave it down in the description if you guys know, or if you guys already know what this is. Don't get the one by Harbor Freights. Apparently those are ass. This one's Craftsman. It might be better.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
See how crazy?
Yeah.
That was the most intense one we ever saw.
Yeah.
Damn, your brake line could have broken there.
Oh fuck, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Yep, careful with the brake line. Shoot.
Yeah.
Watch our mistakes so you don't make the same ones.
It's really good.
Yeah, this is wiggly. That's bad.
Because it's old.
Yeah. Alright, so now we gotta go ahead and loosen this.
Come on, it is too big or something.
I think. Just loosen one side, and then we'll loosen the side of where the nut is. And then,
this is gonna be difficult.
yeah, we gotta move that.
Yeah. Completely out.
Yeah, there we go. Yep, it's in the way.
Is that your washer fluid?
What?
Or your coolant that it's hitting?
No, it's hitting cable, the same yellow cable from last time. But it's hitting the black box. But we gotta take it all out. Alright, well, let's hope. Well, there's no room or anything bothering us, so this should be a lot easier than the other side. Because on the other side, the power steering tube right here was in the way, and then the pulley right here was also in the way. Alright, so we ran into a problem with our clamp here. This little thing right here is stuck, but I think we can make it work. Try to get it out a different way because we're running out of time right now. So, yep, we need these. Take out the security pin right here, or the snap ring or whatever this thing is called that secures it. Up. Yeah, the rubber piece doesn't really matter since we aren't going to use this. This shit's all old and useless to us. There we go. Alright, by the way.
Nice! Oh,
There you go.
pinch me a bit.
Alright, so we had a lot of trouble taking that thing off, but we finally have it off. Where did I put it? Alright, whatever. We took it off, so it was
On the tire.
pretty stressful, but yeah, we got it off slowly. We had to do it this side, finally got off. Most people would just hammer it, but again, I don't want to do that. So the one that Solo Motorsports gave us was this one. As you can see here, there is a part of it that's really chunky that goes underneath, while this one that has like an opening right here, that's where this snap ring goes. So to put it in, I mean, it's obviously difficult, so we had to use the same method, but this time it has to be using that try thing again. Alright, that's all I can get in. Now it's pretty hard, so let's go ahead and use this thing again. Although my method is to use this thing right here that will go on top. That way it can push this washer and then push that in, so I don't have to damage it. Slowly going up. Keep twisting it. Make sure it's going in evenly, and from the looks of it, it's actually going in evenly the way I'm doing that. So we are good.
Damn, that was pretty easy.
There it is. It's in there. Nice. Now let's go ahead and loosen this. Props to this thing for helping us out. And there you go. Alright, Dave's gonna go ahead and put in the bolt from this side, and I'm gonna be holding the upper control arm. So David, it's in here, so aim it through the hole. Alright, leave it like that. Hang on. Alright, next one you're going to put the big washer. Alright, go. Hang on a sec. Yeah, alright. Alright, go.
Oh yeah, that, yeah. There's the rubber. Nice, it's in.
Yeah. Grab your last washer, which is the thin one, and there you go. And then put your nut in, and there you go. It is in there. We'll go ahead and tighten it once we have everything in here. Now we are on our last step, which is the uni-bolt, the uni-ball bolt. So I'm not sure if you should put dry lube around here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and grease it with anti-seize. In the instructions they say use anti-seize copper. Not really sure what the other color was. So this is gonna go through the uni-ball. But it looks like it's dirty. Hang on, let me clean that real quick. But it's where I ended up working. This. So yeah, we are gonna have to move this. We're gonna have to pry it up a bit because in order to get this through the spindle, we need to pull it towards us so that way we can adjust it. So honestly, the best way is if you have some sort of tube to pry it, or there might be another way, but this is one way I've done it. Ow!
Good? You pinched yourself?
Yeah. Oh my god, that was a bad idea. Oh my.
Damn, Danny.
That's bad. It's purple.
Yeah, it's gonna be swollen. No, Danny, you crushed it right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's, Danny. No,
Learn from my mistakes. Fuck.
Quick, put some WD-40 on it.
This guy. Any ice?
Here. Some water. Probably clean it. Even though it's not open flush.
God. Yeah, so my finger still hurts, bruise and swelling, but anyways, let's go ahead and get this finished with, because I want to go eat. So it looks like we need to adjust this a bit back. Alright, so once you get it midway, like as good as possible, you just gotta like wrench it, you know, just start twisting the bolt in. Because if you try to hammer it, like, you'll fuck up the thread, which we kind of did, or I kind of did. But it's fine. Like, once we put the bolt in, like, we can fix those threads. But yeah, just keep doing this. I'm pretty sure you put your washer underneath, like that, and then you put this. Okay, so, oh, and the socket size is 24, so make sure you got that, or 15, 16, standard size. So they do recommend you put some like it's like this like thread lock or whatever on the bolt, but I don't have that right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bolt it right now. I'll probably do that some other time, but as now I did not prepare myself for that. So if you're gonna do this, make sure you get that red lock for the thread, if you know what I'm talking about. I will leave the torque spec in the description for the upper control arms. But basically, all you need to know is that wherever it stops, you just leave it there, because it'll be fine. Like, torque spec is important, but you know, as long as it's tight, it's tight. So there we go. is now installed. Now, when you are running uni balls, because they squeak because they're uni balls, so I don't know. We should clean off the grease that we have here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off, just because I know there's a lot of it. But what you want to do is grab yourself some dry lube. I'm going to use Blaster. There is another one that some of them recommend. This was the one I saw in my O'Reilly's, so I grabbed it. You should lubricate this every like 2 weeks maybe. But since I'm daily driving it, not going to be off-roading it like all the time, you really don't need to. So just like that, I think is enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed that video of installing those upper control arms. Everything turned out to be good. I just need to go get an alignment because now my tires are they're crooked. So the tire, like below the tires are like inner and the top tires are like outer, kind of like a V shape like this. But yeah, I need to get alignment tomorrow. If you guys really like and enjoy these videos, please leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment down below. I already have some videos uploaded that you may enjoy watching, such as videos of trips of us going to Ocotillo Wells, and I have some. I think I have like 2 videos of going to Black Mountain with my dog, and it's really cool up there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on notifications, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you very much. Peace out.